Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I will walk you through how to set up and execute a creative studio shoot. Whether you are a beginner or a pro looking for new inspiration for your shoots, this video will help you take your photography skills to the next level. The first thing to consider when you want to do a creative shoot is the planning. You have to plan with your team, which involves the makeup artist, hairstylist, the fashion designer, and then probably the model. Then you guys plan and get a mood board on what to do. Join me, let me walk you guys through how we are able to set up and execute. Stay tuned. Okay guys, my key light is AD600. My fill light is Godos and D300 strobe. Then I have my backlight AD200 there. As I fix that my backlight. Then I have all these steady lights, 2 Godos MLCCBI and 2 YN216. I might likely still use these newer lights because that's the concept. Then yeah, we are good. We shot all the images with Canon EOS R5. The lens we used is 24-7 to 2.8 and the trigger we used is S1 Pro C. Okay, I will do my first shoot without lights to see what it looks like. Yeah. I just go this way. Yeah. Go back a little bit. Come on, it's blank. It's only the backlight that's showing. So I will have to introduce my backlight. This is the backlight. Step back a little bit. Adjust this way. It's too much. Small. Yeah, cool, perfect. It will come out fine. But just chill, good. You can connect. Okay, this is what the backlight, just the backlight on. This is what it looks like. Okay. Then I introduce the key lights. Sorry. So I will introduce the key lights now. What's even the key light? See? Key light is channel C. Confirm, yeah. So I'm testing. This is what the key light looks like. So now I'm introducing my field lights. You are not seeing yourself. Wait. Can you see yourself? Okay, so now we introduce the field lights here. Yeah, you see? Okay, this is what the field lights, everything. Don't worry, I'll show you guys. So now You have to on the lights. Okay, let's start. And shoot you. Do your hair stress, yeah. Can you do something else? Can you do this? Yeah, cross over. Do faster. Yeah. Turn your face this way. You're going to think on me. Turn your face this way. Yeah, cool. Nene, I am. Turn your face this way. Can you do something like this? In cover anyone. Oh yeah, men get comfortable now. No, face me. No, facing. Then we have to walk away. Yeah. Yeah. Chin up, yeah. Chin up. Then close your eyes. Turn on your face. Then look at me. Turn your face this way. Okay, look at me. Yeah. Yeah. Do that. Can you see? Yeah. Yeah. Then look at my hand. Look at my hand. Maintain that face. Okay, back with the eyeliness face camera. Do you see this straight in a bend there? Yeah, cool. We make it here now. This yellow. Basic stress. Turn your body this way. Yeah, cool. Sit down. Yes, try again. That's in style. Sorry. Sorry. Can you do something else? Che pose hai sorry così? Ma do a canambuna. Yeah, pose hai pose. You bend this too much, keep your hair slow. Turn to be. Yeah, cool. Yeah. Then sit your face this way. Sorry. Then sit your jack over there. Put your hands up, yeah, cool, yeah. Okay? If you want to know how we edited these pictures and fixed the backdrops, we have a link below that contains the video of how we edited the clothes, the background and the images too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share. Cheers.